Today I will be showing you how we use Slack as our primary form of communication. This tutorial will show you how you download the app to your phone and also a couple of ways that it can be used. Don't worry, you'll have ample time to practice. You'll receive an email that asks you to join now. You'll go ahead and you'll click that, and then it will prompt you to download the app. Once you do that, the next page will bring you to your terms and conditions. Then you'll scroll all the way down where you'll be prompted to download app and also to join our workspace. And add the name as you would like it to appear. And then you're ready to go into Slack. Once you're there, you will see dispatch, general, and also direct messages option. So the dispatch portion is where we are going to be sending out general information to all cleaners. In the dispatch is where we might give you updates about particular cleans, or if there's any information that we think is very important for you to know, it will show up there. We also use Slack for uploading of before and after pictures, and also to communicate with anyone within the office. That's all for now. If you have any questions, just please let us know.